The first example here, 3 root 2 times 4 root 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is break up the two surd parts to show the multiplication signs. There's one in the middle there, and there's one in the middle here. There. Once I've got it like that, I'm going to rearrange the multiplications so that all of my whole numbers are first, and then all of my surd parts are second. Now that gives me 4 times 3 gives me 12, and this here, they join together to become 2 times 7 is 14. Now this surd here, this root, none of the perfect squares divide evenly into it, so it cannot be simplified, and so my answer is 12 root 14. Let's have a look at another one. Okay, so let's apply the same process here. First of all, we break up the first one by showing the multiplication in the middle. We're going to do the same with the second one, so the 5 root 3 becomes 5 times root 3. Then I rearrange this to show all the whole numbers first. The 2 times 5 goes first. Then I've got the times root 6 times root 3. The 2 times 5 is 10, and that becomes times root 6 times 3. And so that becomes 10 times square root of 18. Now, because I'm familiar with my times tables, I can see that 9 goes into 18 two times. 9 is a perfect square, that's what we're after. So 10 times the square root of 9 times 2. So that becomes 10 times root 9 times root 2, which is 10 times 3 times root 2, which is 30 times root 2, which is 30 root 2.